my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jasmine. Today I'm going to be reviewing this box of Crayons eyeshadow palette. I created two looks with it. I did like one smoky kind of, I don't know what to call this, and one colorful eye. So if you like what you see, keep on watching.
Challenge only makes me stronger. One more reason to turn up on them. I go crazy. Lit.
Today we are going to be doing a review on the box of Crayons eyeshadow palette. When you open it, it has this protector thingy. It has a really big mirror. It comes with 18 eyeshadow shades. There's about 9 mattes. This purple, it has a little bit of shimmer in it. These ones are foiled shades, like all of these ones are foiled shades, but this one has like glitter in it. Not really foily, it's more like glittery. But I scratched it, you see that? Yeah. The price of this eyeshadow palette is $30. So how I'm going to do this, I'm going to do like one kind of neutral eye and one colorful eye to show you guys the versatility of this palette. Oh yeah, and I did my eyebrows off camera. I used the e.l.f. like what I always use. I use my e.l.f. eyebrow pencil in neutral brown and my e.l.f. eyebrow gel, and I used my foundation to conceal my eyebrows. I'm going to prime my eyes with my foundation. This is the Maybelline Superstay Foundation and Natural Ivory. So I'm going to blend that in with my finger. Okay, eyes primed. So anyways, for my transition shade, I'm using this shade right here, and it's called Tan. There is kickback on this shade. And now to deepen that up a little bit, I'm going to be using brown. This one has kickback too. To deepen that up a little bit more, I'm going to be going in with the shade Black right here. That shade does not have kickback. Now I'm going to go back in with that same brush I used for tan. I'm just going to blend that out a little bit. And now I'm going to go into gold. It's a foiled eyeshadow, and I'm going to go in with my finger. The foils are way better applied with your finger than with a brush. Invincible. And I'm going to go in with this brush with a little bit of that shade. And now I'm going to go in with silver. I don't know if this is the best idea, but I'm going to try. And I'm going to go in with my finger again. And now I'm going to go in with that shade, that brush I used for the black, and blend that a little bit. Okay, and now I'm going in with the shade White right here. I'm going to highlight my inner corner of my brow bone. For this eye, I'm going to go in with yellow. I'm going to go in with pink. And now I'm going to go into shade Red to deepen that up. Okay, I'm going to go in with a different brush. I'm going to go in with this brush instead, and I'm going to dip into this red shade here. I'm going to use my foundation to cut my crease because I don't know, I just like using my foundation for this stuff. I'm gonna go in with this, with pink again on this flat brush. I'm going to use this magenta shade right here and use my finger. I'm going to place that right at the end. I'm going to go in with this Kleancolor Along the Lines liquid eyeliner and Sharkskin and try to trace that out. I'm gonna go in with this instead, this, well, over it, this silver glitter eyeliner. Now I'm gonna take a makeup wipe and clean under my eye. I'm gonna do my base off camera and then I'll be right back. So I did my base, everything but setting spray and highlighter, but I'm gonna do that in a little bit. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Intense Ink Eyeliner to do a wing on this eye. I'm gonna go with that yellow shade again, right here, and put that on my lower lash line on this eye. And now I'm gonna go with red again and put that closer to my lower lash line, like, you know, closer, you know what I mean. To highlight my inner corner of my eye, I'm going to use lime green in this palette. I want to do something different. That's not popping up. I think I'm going to spray my brush. That lime green shade is not that pigmented. I have to keep layering it to get pigmentation. And now I'm going to go back in with this tan shade right here. Use that for my lower lash line on this eye. And now I'm going to go in with that brown shade right here. I'm going to use this brush right here and I'm going in with black and place that really close to my lower lash line. For mascara, I'm going to be using my Maybelline The Rocket Volume Express Mascara. And now I'm going to go in with my Unicorn Vibes highlighter palette by Colorstory. And I'm going to use this shade right here to highlight my brow bone. For eyeliner on this eye, I'm going to be using this Italia Deluxe Ultra Fine Eyeliner in Neon Blue. On this eye, I'm going to go in with some black eyeliner. This is the LA Colors Matte Eyeliner. For a highlighter, I'm going to be using my WetNWild Megaglo Highlighting Powder in Blossom Glow. Now I'm going to set my face with my Milani Make It Dewy Setting Spray. For eyelashes, these are new ones. I got these off of AliExpress. This is what they look like. And I'm going to be using these today on both eyes. Now I'm going to go do my lashes off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, I don't know what lipstick to pair with these looks, so I'm just going to use this one. It is this Ruby Kisses Forever Matte Liquid Lipstick in Tippy Toe. My final thoughts on this palette here. I really like this palette actually. It's a really good palette for the price. This is $30 and look how big those pan sizes are, and there's 18 shades. So the only one that it was like for me was this shade right here. It wasn't that pigmented, the lime green one, but I got it to work, so that's all that matters. I recommend this palette. It's actually really good for the price. So the foils in this eyeshadow palette are actually really good. They're like one of my favorite shades. My favorite shade in this palette though is this magenta right here. It's so pretty. So pretty. Like so pretty. Yeah. That gold shade was amazing too. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, click that bell so you will be notified when I post a video. And comment down below any suggestions you guys have for me for another video. Follow me on all my social medias. And I love you guys so much. Bye. Yeah.